Good morning, all students. Hope everyone is doing fine and enjoying their vacations. Hope everything is going well. Today we will make this double ring. I call this double ring because it has two layers. It is a very fancy looking design. You can see very beautiful multicolor. I use multicolor beads. This is a multicolor beads and majority is size is 660 or you can call 6-0. It is a beads. It is a seed beads. You can see I use this or a different color. Okay, fine. Now first I will tell you the tools about into tools what we need in this small project. This is a flat nose plier. It is a bit small size. You can see a small size. Next, double nose plier. Both are round, and once again flat nose plier, but it has teeth with teeth. You can see, agar possible, you can see nearly this teeth. It will help in our grabbing the wire. Next is also flat nose plier. This is a bit big size, and turn nose plier. You can see both noses are turned. Yes, and last one is cutter, and we need one scale. And this side you can see three tools. Metal ring shaper or sizer, you can say. Next thing is ring sizer. You can see here scale. These are scales, and this is plastic, or you can say bakelite, or not nylon. It is bakelite plastic cylinder shape tool. It will help in making ring. It's a soft. The purpose of using this type of stuff to avoid any kind of scratches on the metal. Now the basic material. Only we need one wire. This is a stainless steel wire. I will use stainless steel wire. You can see this is a 20 gauge wire. Only we need for this project 8 inches. Only 8 inches piece of stainless steel wire, 20 gauge. Yes, and some beads. You can choose any kind of beads. I like this one, so I use this. It will give you very beautiful design, very beautiful pattern. Now first we start our project. First we take the wire and the flat nose plier, the big one. You can see here. I think you can see clear. From the middle part, it is 8 inches long. In the middle part, it could be 4 inches. Yes, here. You can see it. I grab it like this and push both ends side bites. This will turn in a U-shaped structure. You can see it. Now, the second step, we will take double nose plier, double brown nose plier. You can see it. Grab one side very strongly, very tightly, and one side I am making a round wrap. This one, you can see this. If you feel some difficulty, and once more, I think I have to tell you, this wire is stainless steel wire, not a brass. I also use brass, but this time I'm using stainless steel wire because it is little bit hard, and in this project I need some hard wire. You can see round this one. I press it and make it more equal, clear. I think you are seeing clearly, like this. Yes, little tight, full strong. You see, I make a hole like structure here. Now next step is the next side. I will make a second hole like structure. Like this. Because I think you can understand what I'm doing. Yes, I kept. You have to be very gently and gripping very strongly. Grabs. So yes. Avoid loose hands. If you use loose hand, it will slip from your hand. Put some pressure and make some equal side. Yes.